Good morning. I would like to buy a ticket to the mountains.
Hello. We have several trains going that way throughout the day.
That sounds great because I missed the early bus this morning.
Don't worry, the railway is much more comfortable than the road.
I agree. I love looking at the scenery through a big window.
Are you traveling alone or with a group of friends?
It is just me and my trusty backpack for this weekend.
A solo adventure is always a wonderful way to relax.
Which train is the fastest one available at the moment?
The Express Flyer leaves in exactly 45 minutes from here.
Does it stop at the small village near the Crystal Lake?
Yes, that is the third stop after we cross the river.
Perfect. That is exactly where I am planning to hike.
Please let me check the seat availability for that specific route.
I hope there is still a spot near the window for me.
You're in luck. There are only 3 seats left.
Luck is definitely on my side today. Thank you for checking.
Would you like a one-way ticket or a return trip?
I think a return ticket is better so I don't worry later.
When are you planning to come back to the city?
I want to return on Sunday evening before the sun sets.
I can book the 6 o'clock train for your journey back.
That gives me plenty of time to explore the mountain trails.
It is a beautiful area, especially during this time of year.
I heard the autumn leaves are starting to turn bright orange.
The view from the bridge is famous for those vibrant colors.
I will make sure my camera battery is fully charged.
May I have your identification card to complete the booking?
Sure, it is right here in the front pocket of my jeans.
Thank you. I will start processing your request immediately.
Do you prefer a quiet carriage or the standard section?
A quiet carriage would be lovely for reading my book.
It is a popular choice for people who want to sleep, too.
I plan to stay awake and enjoy every single minute of the ride.
The Express Flyer also has a small cafe on board.
Can I buy a hot coffee and some snacks there?
Yes, they serve fresh sandwiches and a variety of beverages.
That is excellent news for a hungry hiker like me.
The cafe is located in the middle of the train, carriage 4.
I will remember that if I get hungry after an hour.
Is there any large luggage you need to register today?
Just this medium-sized backpack. It fits under the seat.
Then you don't need to pay an extra fee for baggage.
That makes the trip even more convenient and simple.
Are you interested in a first-class upgrade for $10?
What are the main benefits of the first-class seats?
You get more legroom and a complimentary bottle of water.
Standard class is fine for me. I have long legs but a short budget.
I understand. Our standard seats are actually quite wide anyway.
I am happy with a simple seat as long as it moves.
Do you have a student discount card or a senior pass?
I have my university ID card. Does that count for a discount?
Yes, it gives you a 15% reduction on the total price.
That is a very pleasant surprise. I almost forgot I had it.
Let me scan the barcode to apply the special offer.
The price is much lower than I expected. Thank you so much.
It is always good to save a little money for your holiday.
I will use the extra cash to buy a better lunch tomorrow.
The mountain restaurants are known for their delicious local cheese.
Now I'm even more excited to get to the village.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
The total amount comes to $25 for both ways.
I will pay with my credit card. Is that acceptable?
Certainly. Please tap your card on the black device here.
There we go. The green light is flashing on the screen.
The transaction was successful. I am printing your tickets.
I see the machine working. It makes a funny buzzing sound.
It is an old machine, but it is very reliable and fast.
Sometimes the old things work better than the new ones.
Here are your 2 tickets, one for today and one for Sunday.
Why are there 3 pieces of paper in your hand?
The third one is your receipt for the university discount.
I see. I should keep that in case the conductor asks.
Exactly. It proves you are entitled to the lower fare.
I will put them safely in my blue wallet right away.
Make sure you don't lose the return ticket during your hike.
I have a special zipped pocket for important documents.
That is a very smart habit for any frequent traveler.
I learned the hard way after losing my bus pass last year.
Losing a ticket can definitely ruin a good weekend trip.
I won't let that happen again. I am much more organized today.
Do you need a printed copy of the train schedule as well?
A digital version on my phone is enough for me, thank you.
You can scan this QR code to download the full timetable.
Technology makes traveling so much easier than it used to be.
It saves a lot of paper and helps us protect the environment.
I am a big fan of anything that helps the nature I love.
Then you will truly enjoy the clean air in the mountains.
I can almost smell the pine trees from the station.
The weather forecast says it will be sunny all weekend long.
This is turning out to be the perfect trip already.
Which platform does the Express Flyer depart from today?
You need to go to platform number 9 on the lower level.
Is that the one near the large golden clock in the hall?
No, that is platform 1. 9 is at the very end of the tunnel.
I should start walking then. It sounds like a long way.
It takes about 5 minutes if you use the moving walkway.
I didn't know this station had a moving walkway below us.
It was installed last year to help people with heavy luggage.
My backpack is light, but I will use it anyway to save time.
Follow the blue arrows on the floor to stay on the right path.
Are there any restrooms near platform 9 before I board?
Yes, there are public facilities right next to the waiting area.
Good to know. A long train ride requires some preparation.
There is also a small bookstore if you need something to read.
I already have a thick novel about space in my bag.
Space adventures are perfect for long journeys across the country.
They make the time pass much faster when the view is dark.
The train is expected to arrive at your destination by noon.
That is perfect for a midday picnic by the Crystal Lake.
The water's cold, but the reflection of the mountains is stunning.
I might try to go for a quick swim if the sun is hot.
Be careful, the mountain water comes directly from the melting snow.
Maybe I will just dip my toes in the water instead.
That sounds like a much safer and wiser plan, Tom.
Is the train station in the village far from the lake?
It is only a 10-minute walk through a very pretty forest path.
I can handle 10 minutes of walking with no problem at all.
The path is well marked with wooden signs for the tourists.
I won't get lost as long as I stay on the main track.
Have a safe walk and don't forget to watch the time.